Hello students, we the Max teachers welcome you back for e-learning program. Let us recall the topics discussed in previous session. We learnt subtraction of 5 and 6 digit numbers, properties of subtraction. In today's concept, let us learn about multiplication of 4 and 5 digit numbers, properties of multiplication and multiplication by 10 and its multiples. Let us start with multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition of the same addend, or we can say that when we add the same number twice or more than twice, then the process can be called multiplication. Consider the following example. You can see 4 bags of balls, and in each bag there are 3 balls. If you are asked to find how many balls are there altogether, what will you do? You will add 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12 balls. What did you do here? You added 3 4 times. This is called repeated addition of the same addend, and here the addend is 3. Instead of adding 3 4 times, we can write 4 times 3 is equal to 12 balls, which is also written as 4 into 3 is equal to 12 balls. Instead of writing 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equals to 12, we have written 4 into 3 is equals to 12, and this is called a multiplication statement. Now you have understood that multiplication is repeated addition of the same addend. Let us solve few examples to understand the concept better. First example, you can see 5 groups of stars, and in each group there are 2 stars. In order to find the total number of stars, instead of adding 2 5 times, we will write 5 times 2, which is equal to 5 into 2 is equal to 10 stars. So, we use multiplication instead of repeated addition to find the total number of stars. One more example. There are 3 groups of smileys, and in each group there are 5 smileys. In order to find the total number of smileys, instead of adding 5 3 times, we will write 3 times 5, which is equal to 3 into 5, and we know 3 5s are 15, hence we can say that there are 15 smileys altogether. Now let us learn the terms of multiplication. From the examples that we discussed, 4 into 3 is equals to 12, 5 into 2 is equal to 10, and 3 into 5 is equal to 15. The first number, which is the number that is being multiplied, is called multiplicand. The second number, which is written after the multiplication sign, is the number by which we are multiplying, and that is called multiplier. And the answer we get after the multiplication is called product. Now let us learn about the properties of multiplication. Property 1. Even if the multiplicand and multiplier are interchanged, the product remains the same. For example, 3 4s are 12. If we interchange the multiplicand and multiplier, that is 3 and 4, and write 4 into 3, that will also be equal to 12. Hence, we can say 4 into 3 is equal to 3 into 4. Taking another set of numbers, that is 18 into 69 will be equal to 69 into 18. Property 2. We can multiply 2 or more than 2 numbers For example, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. But suppose if I ask 5 into 2 into 4 is equal to how much? Is it possible to find the product? Yes, it is. First, you will multiply 5 into 2, which is equal to 10, and then 10 into 4, which is equal to 40. Hence, 5 into 2 into 4 is equal to 40. Property 3. When any number is multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. For example, 15 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into 28 is equal to 0. If we multiply three numbers, that is 8 into 0 into 5, the product will be 0. And 45 into 39 into 0 is equal to 0. Property 4. When any number is multiplied by 1, the product is always the number itself. For example, 17 into 1 is equal to 17. 1 into 94 is equal to 94. 318 into 1 is equal to 318. 1 into 4124 is equal to 4124. Multiplying 4-digit number by 1-digit multiplier. For example, 2345 by 4. Let's start by writing the problem like this, lining up the place values from the right to the left. When we multiply a 4-digit number by any number, we multiply 4 by each digit of 2345. Let's start by multiplying 4 times 5, which is in 1's place. 4 times 5 is 20. We need to carry the 2 because we only write 1 digit below. Now we are going to multiply 4 times 4 and then add 2. 4 times 4 is 16 and 16 plus 2 is 18. We need to carry that 1. Now we multiply 4 times 3 and add 1. 4 times 3 is 12 and 12 plus 1 is 13. Once again carry 1. Now multiply 4 times 2 and add 1. 4 times 2 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. The product of 2345 and 4 is 9380. Similarly, we can multiply with 5 digits also. Let us move to another subtopic, that is multiplying 4-digit number by 2-digit number. For example, find the product of 2128 and 21. We can divide the whole process into 3 steps. Step 1. Multiply 2128 by the ones digit of the multiplier, that is 1. One into 8 is equal to 8. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. And lastly, 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Step 2. Multiply 2128 by the digit in the tens place of the multiplier, as the digit 2 is in the tens place of the multiplier. We are actually multiplying 2128 by 20, so we write 0 below the digit 8. Next, 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Now, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Plus, the carryover 1 is equal to 5. Then 2 into 1 is equal to 2. And 2 into 2 is equal to 4. So, we are getting 42,560. Step 3. Now, add both the numbers for the product to be obtained. That is 2,128 plus 42,560 to get the answer, which is equal to 44,688. Let's move on to another example. Multiplication of 5-digit number by 2-digit multiplier. For example, find the product of 23,452 by 23. Step 1. Multiply 23,452 by the ones digit of the multiplier, that is 3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 into 5 is equal to 15. We need to carry that 1. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. 12 plus 1 is equal to 13. We need to carry 1. 3 into 3 is equals to 9. 9 plus 1, 10. We need to carry 1. 3 into 2 is equals to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Step 2. Now multiply 23,452 by the digit in the tens place of the multiplier. As the digit 2 is in tens place of the multiplier, we actually multiply 23,452 by 20, so we write 0 below the digit 6. Next, 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. We need to carry that 1, then multiply 2 into 4 is equal to 8, and 8 plus 1 is equals to 9. Now 2 into 3 is equals to 6, and then 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Step 3. Now add both the numbers for the product to be obtained, that is 70,356 plus 4,69,040 to get the answer, which is equal to 5,39,396. Next, we shall move with multiplication by 10, 100 and 1000. When we multiply a number by 10, we add the 0 in the 10 to the right side of a number to get the result. Let us multiply 7 by 10. Add 1 0 to the right of 7 to get 70. By the same logic, 36 into 10 is equal to 360. 47 into 10 is equal to 470. When we multiply a number by 100, we add 2 zeros in the 100 to the right side of the number to get the result. Let's multiply 12 by 100, add 2 zeros to the right of 12 to get 1200. By the same logic, 43 into 100 is equals to 4300. When we multiply a number by 1000, we add 3 zeros in the thousands place to the right side of the number to get the result. Let us multiply 8 into 1000, add 3 zeros to the right of 8 to get 8000. By the same logic, 4 into 1000 is equals to 4000. Previous assignment. Dear students, I hope you all have done the previous assignment in your math notes. Now kindly check the answers of previous assignment. Today's home assignment. Dear students, kindly complete the home assignment in your math notes. Until we meet in the next video, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.